Tired of managing separate game launchers? Let's merge your Ubisoft and Steam worlds for a truly streamlined gaming experience. First, ensure you have both the Steam and Ubisoft Connect applications installed and running on your PC. Will begin in Steam. Navigate to your Steam library if you haven't already. You might already see some Ubisoft titles here if you purchase them directly on Steam. Now, let's jump over to Ubisoft Connect. This is where the magic happens. You'll need to be logged into your Ubisoft account. In Ubisoft Connect, look for your account settings or profile icon, usually found in the top right corner. Click on it to open the menu. Within the settings, you'll find an option labeled Accounts or Linked Accounts. Click on this to proceed. Here, you'll see a list of different gaming platforms you can link. Find the Steam icon and click the Link or Connect button next to it. A Steam login window will pop up. You'll be prompted to enter your Steam account username and password. This is a security measure to verify it too. Once you've successfully logged into Steam, your accounts will be linked. You should see a confirmation message within Ubisoft Connect. This synchronization allows Ubisoft Connect to recognize your Steam library and vice versa. Now, you can launch your eligible Ubisoft games directly from your Steam client, enjoying a unified experience. Link your Ubisoft and Steam accounts today for a more convenient and seamless gaming journey.